everybody, and I wish everybody a very warm Nisa Bula Banaka. Thank you very much. It's wonderful to see all of our close friends here. I want to thank the captain for his safe and effective operations in support of Oceania Maritime Security Initiative, a very important initiative that we team with our equal partners in order to ensure a free and open Indo-Pacific. For all of us, we are finally coming out of the backside of this terrible pandemic, and it gives an opportunity for dear friends, dear and equal partners to join together against mutual interests that ensure a free and open Indo-Pacific. To all here, we have a legacy that stretches back many, many decades, and a history that is born in shared values and blood spilled itself in great conflicts, and we never take that for granted. I want to thank every one of you for being here. I want to thank you all for your deep partnerships that underscore the values of democracy, of the rule of law, through the prism of human dignity and human respect. And my very deepest thanks to all.
His Excellency, the President of Fiji, representatives and Charge d'Affaires, Mr. Anthony Grubel, Speaker of the House, Honorable Ratu Wiliame Katonivere, Admiral Paparo, the Commanding Officer of USS JACKSON, Commander Michael Winslow, distinguished guests, crew members of USS JACKSON. A very warm Bula Vinaka to you all, and welcome to Fiji. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to provide a short statement. It is indeed a great pleasure to be here today. Fiji and the US share a multi-ethnic heritage and respect for democratic values. And in these values, we recognize the importance of cooperation with like-minded partners in the Indo-Pacific region. It has been 51 years since Fiji and the US formed a diplomatic relationship, and such engagement is an enhance our border security. Our geographic isolation affords it no protection from contemporary security challenges, and as such, the USS JACKSON is timely to enhance Fiji's capacity and capability in monitoring and surveillance of our EEZ. I also understand that this visit is part of the Oceania Maritime Support Initiative. What better way to support the existing Fiji-US Ship Rider Agreement in supporting us in patrolling our vast ocean and protecting our marine resources. With these few words, I welcome USS JACKSON, Commander Michael Winslow, and your crew to Fiji. I hope that you will enjoy your time in Suva, and we look forward to strengthening the ties of understanding and partnership. Pinaka Bakaleu, and I thank you.